One of my favorite things about RICO since 2015 has been the RICO Fellows program. We introduced the Fellows program as a way to bring in new ideas from people who maybe on their own didn't feel like RICO was the place for them or would have had a difficult time budgeting for or making the case to their employer, say, for them to be able to attend. Over the past, now I guess it's been, is this the 8th year? We've probably had 200 plus people come through this program, and many of them have gone on to be RICO speakers themselves, or RICO hosts. At least one of our, I think two maybe of our hosts this year are people who came into RICO through that Fellows program. So it really creates this virtuous cycle of learning and leadership and mentorship within this little mini community that we convene every year, but also in the coffee industry more broadly. Now, the fellows go on to be trainers in all sorts of different disciplines. They go on to be leaders in their companies or start their own initiatives. And this year's class of fellows is no different. They'll be doing a seminar this morning in the second session, and it will cover all of the topics that they are most interested in sharing with this audience. They have also helped us out over the past 2 days to prepare sensory experiences and have been enthusiastic listeners and been engaging with the speakers, asking all sorts of different questions and soaking up as much knowledge as they possibly can. This year's class of 8 fellows is supported by Toddy. With Toddy's support, we were able to offer RICO tickets and then also travel support and lodging for the first time, really working to make this as kind of a holistic, supported experience as we could. So I'm going to ask them to come join me on stage, this year's class of 8 RICO fellows. So we've got Cody and Carla and Gabriela and Raghunath and Olga and Stephanie and Arnaldo and Gary. These 8 fellows wrote extraordinary applications. They were really fun to read. We had a whole committee that went through them and sort of noted all of the differences in their backgrounds and their areas of expertise and how those all fit into the RICO program. They've been working super hard. Many of them are very nervous. I'm sorry, I'm not calling out anyone in particular. I definitely understand also. Very nervous, have worked hard on their presentations and practiced and practiced and practiced. I've had a bunch of help with this from Hannah Neuschwander from World Coffee Research, and I can't wait to see how they share their ideas. And so I really encourage all of you to go join them in the Business Tactics and Tools session in the second of our 4 seminar sessions today. Thank you so much. One more round of applause for the RICO fellows. No, you're not.